Hello, my name is Hammer Cruzate. I studied math. I live in Cincelejo. I believe that the future of the planet with the impact of technology will have many advances that will facilitate the quality of life of human beings. But you have to know what you are referring to when you tell please about quality of life. For many people, quality of life is being able to make purchases or tours on out of the light in your house through the cell phone. For others, quality of life is to enjoy a good state of health. This is where we can compare this negative and positive effect of technology advances. The easier it is for human beings to use technology to care of their tasks, the more the risk of suffering from heart disease increases. Environmental damage, please. Environmental damage is a problem we see every day and I how it can be stood or mitigated. The economic growth of countries in most cases is the cause of this evil, and this is added by population growth. Therefore, the scarcity of natural resources due to rapid urbanization, in addition to the impact global warming on please, on greatly affected lands that were previously very productive. With all this happening, if we do not make timely decisions, if human beings do not change our habit, if we continue with the same trend and lifestyle that we live in, governments do not seem to take care of the planet, which will have serious consequences in couple or years or future. I recommend all government to strengthen environmental policies to care for and protect ecosystems, as they are currently the first to be affected by drastic climate changes. All over the world, water is protected the most important mineral resource on the planet, as it is actually most important that oil, and in some clean energy such as solar energy are used. The United Nations must take action and ensure the safety of all living beings. Please. The United Nations must take action and ensure the safety of all living beings on the planet and protect their habitats through policies and action. Thank you.